This tutorial will guide you through on automatic media download in Telegram completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, assuming you have the Telegram application open, go to the top left hand screen and click here. Scroll down and click Settings. The next step is to scroll down and click Advanced under Folders and above Speakers and Camera. Once here, you want to scroll down until you see the option Automatic Media Download. In private chats, you can automatically download the photos, the files, and you can limit this by size. If you scroll to the right, you're increasing the size. You're decreasing if you scroll to the left. Same thing for autoplay. You can autoplay videos, GIF, but now if we check this, you're not autoplaying anything, and if you check it back, you are now autoplaying. And you can limit the size as well and click save. And you can do the same thing for groups that you're in and also channels that you have created completely for free.